This video is sponsored by Gadget Monkey BD. For latest accessories and gadgets, you must check them out. Hey, what is up guys, this is Kabir, and in today's video we're gonna take a look at some top affordable cases for the Redmi Note 5 Pro or Note 5 AI in China. And you can get them in any nearby gadget shop or online websites like Amazon, Flipkart, AliExpress.com. In this video, I will show here one by one so you can have a close look of each cases that I will be recommending here. So here are 5 cases and there will be a last case in the video, so you will have a close look of what I'm talking about. So first of all, we will start off with the simple case here. This is the most simple case here. As you can see, this is a plastic case and it comes with a blue accent all around the case. It is made out of hard plastic, and let's put the device into the case and it will fit pretty nicely with the case. You can see, so with this case you can show off your phone from the back side. As you can see, you can show off your Mi logo, and on the bottom you can see the cutouts here. The cutouts are very precise, even the microphone cutout as well. The fingerprint and the camera cutout is also precise. It has a slight texture to it on the edges, so it can be more grippy in the hand. The buttons are coated with silver paint to give it a nice look. All the buttons work well with the case. On the top there is a IR blaster cutout. Overall, it's a good recommendation. Next up, one of my favorite cases of all time, which is the rugged armor case, aka Iron Man armor case. This is a case which you will use every day and drop your device, and it will protect your device most of the time. It's one of the most grippy case I've seen so far, and look at all the cutouts on the bottom. And let's slap the device and see all the cutouts are pretty fine, and the lock button works well, the volume button works well as well. As you can see, the top, the IR blaster cutout as well as the secondary microphone, and on the bottom you can see all the cutouts of the speaker and microphone and the headphone jack, and on the back you can see there is a rubber texture to it. And the most amazing part of this case is the kickstand, which will help you to enjoy any media content on landscape, so it is a must buy. So taking the case off and moving on to the next case, which is our third case in this video, is the black silicone case named as autofocus case. This is a slim case and has different textures to it. The best part of this case is, even though it is not too bulky, it won't slip from your hand or pocket, and it will stay slim after you put it on the device. So here is the device into the case. On the bottom, all the cutouts are precise. The fingerprint works flawlessly. One slight issue is the volume buttons are not so precise, which can be a hassle to find in the dark or in your pocket, so look out for that. Overall, an average case in my opinion. Moving on to the number 4 case, and the hot cake of this video is the 360-degree case, which have 3 parts on its own. The top and the bottom part have its own color accent, which is the red accent. It will go with the black color Redmi Note 5 Pro, and it will look so badass that you will be showing off your device all the time. So I'm putting the parts of the top and the back. As you can see, the parts slap pretty nice, so it won't fall off from your device while using it. As you can see, this is the most minimal case so far in this review. The camera bump and the fingerprint sensor works well. The best part of this case is the cutouts of the volume button and the power button. As you can see, they are so precise that you will be having no trouble while pressing them. Though it has a top part to it, the cutout of the front camera is really good. Here is the camera from close up. The bottom cutouts are great so far, very clean looking. This is the one of the most minimal case I've reviewed so far. It has a 360-degree drop protection as well. The camera bump on the case is slightly raised, so any backdrop won't affect the camera sensor. So it is a best buy. I'm recommending it for all the users that use Redmi Note 5 Pro or the Note 5 AI. Now the 5th case before the honorable mention of this review is the transparent case, which has one red color accent on top and the bottom of this case. This case is a silicone material case and won't protect your device as much as the other once of this review. So let's put it on and see how it goes. This is the kind of case which will get yellowish after a short period of time when you will use it. The colors are great, a slightly grippy case. Now the honorable mention is the iPacky case, which is my favorite pick of this video. This is the most elegant case in my opinion. It has a thin plastic on the back to give it a great look. Otherwise the bottoms are indicated with plus and minus. You can get this on Rio International if you buy it from Bangladesh. So that's all for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So until the next video, peace out.